Okay, here we go. We're going to show you how a weed torch works. It uses propane. It's a handheld device. You go ahead and light it up, and then it has a trigger. And you have these grass in between this concrete. If it's well-established grass, it's not going to do well. If it's small, new grass, it'll do pretty well. Burns it right up. Takes the water cells in the plant and just makes them boil immediately. It's really good at weeding flower beds, weeding around rocks, weeding around concrete, around stones. And I'm gonna go ahead and take care of business right here. Let y'all watch. Alright, here's the weed torch here again. This is on a dry creek bed. I've got some stones laid down. Got some dandelions. Rather than picking those up, hand picking them up and trying to get the roots of it. Torch the plant. I like to do it after good rain or even while it's raining. This cuts down the risk of having a fire, starting a fire somewhere on your property. But there's a little bit more weeds. Just go.